since no one is there, so I'm alone. I'm watching my own videos and commenting on them on myself, bothering, and no one is bothering to watch them. Yes, that's okay. So I'm going to talk about three main things. Why they are important to me? Because they play a very important role. I'm talking about doorbell, dumbbell, and the devil. Yes, very nice. So let's talk about doorbell. Doorbell is a very important thing in my life. Suppose there is someone at your door and you are far away from it. You cannot listen knocking at the door of your house, not your room door, okay? And he ping pong the doorbell and you come to know that someone is at your door, okay? So that's why it's important, but right now it's not working. If anyone pushes the doorbell, no one answers. Even I, very intelligent person, cannot listen to it. Intelligence has a lot to do with it, for mechanics of it, but since it does not ping pong, you cannot listen to that, okay? The other thing is dumbbell. That I will tell you later why dumbbell is important to me. But let's talk about the most important person, angel, devil. There are so many quotes about devil. Someone said devil is that, someone said devil is this. But let me tell you, devil is one of the important causes for this world. If you believe so, if you believe in science and all that, bing bang, ping pong theories, that's your take on life. But if you want to listen from an intelligent person, devil has played a very important role. Various quotes from the various important people in the history of humankind, they had said about lot of things about the devil himself. Let's see. I am not talking about Harvey Weinstein, who got sentenced to 23 years in prison for obvious reasons. He was some kind of, yes. About devil, someone says Satan's friendship reaches quote number 1. Sorry, cut it. Quote number 1 is, quote means saying, yes. Now you don't know about quotes, okay? Let me tell you what is a quote. Quote is something someone said that implies to a real life. Even if it does not imply, it's still, if people like it, it's a quote. If someone says something, it's nice, and even if it's not nice, apparently, and the person who says it is some kind of genius like Shakespeare, yes, shake from the milkshake. Shakespeare, that's a quote, okay guys. Now let's not forget our main topic. So there's a proverb. They say Satan's friendship reaches to the prison door. Yes, if you are a friend to Satan, he will take you to the hell, okay? So it's a proverb. The guy didn't want his name to be included, so it's a proverb. Someone might have said somewhere and they have just made a juice out of it. And so anyway, this is the quote. I will switch to the other one, and there are so many bees around here, so please don't mind them. They are my own. Now the Oscar Wilde, a very wild person in the history of English literature, he once said, "We are each our own devil. We are each our own devil. And we make this world our hell." So, don't pretend to be a devil, pretend to be a good person, like a good angel, not a bad angel. Even the devil was an angel once. But Oscar Wilde says that, Oscar Wilde said, don't make this world a hell of your own. Do good things, do good deeds, or your life will become a hell. Let's move to the other one. There are so many bees. Okay, now this guy also forgot to mention his name, but he said, the other quote is, so we like making a deal with the devil, this question mark. So this question mark is, when you feel you are doing something wrong, please stop it. And I don't know who is cutting that log, disturbing us. I mean me and you. Yes. Other quote. What this guy? Oh my God! This is one of my favorite guys in the history of literature, English literature. I must say, William Shakespeare. Hell is empty. He says hell is very empty, and all the devils are here. So when there is this quote by someone, why these guys don't mention their names? How am I going to reward them later in my life? Not right now. So there is this quote, I looked into your eyes and my world came tumbling down. I looked into your eyes and my world came tumbling down. You are the devil in disguise. So the devil that made this guy was a disguise. There's so many things going around here, so I cannot complete this video, but I think almost it is done. So always try to be an angel, not try to be a devil. It will lead you to, like someone say, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. Even behind those intentions, you follow the path of a devil, you will fall very deep, be able to rise from there. So be nice and do good. Okay, now I tell you why I mentioned Dumbbell, because Dumbbell is very important. I use him for different reasons, because I have this mind zone that I have to keep an eye on. Okay, let's see. There's this Dumbbell. I use it nicely for support. Yes, this one, very nicely done, smartly done. Okay, see you